Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Sleep Awake game not launching, crashing, not loading, lagging or other issues on PS5. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. Now after restarting your PS5, check if you can play the game. If not, next is to check storage space on console. So for that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now click each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Now go to PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Then select save data PS5. Here select console storage and tap on delete option. Next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5, then hold down the power button and let 2 beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next method is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, click on users and accounts, move down to others. On left panel, now choose restore licenses. After that, select Sleep Awake game and click on restore and finally confirm by selecting yes. Next solution is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating your game, now try to launch the game and check. Next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5. Now select system, then go to system software, then select system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software and finally select update using internal option. Once done, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to sign out and sign in to PS5. For that, go to settings, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other options. After that, click on sign out option. Now once done, again log into PS5 account and then check whether the issue is resolved or not. If not, next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, then click on network, then click on settings, then click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, then go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar. Then select current language. Now here change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on PS5 and then move to system. Now select reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings and finally select restore option. Now once done, try to play the game and check. If not, next is to reinstall Sleep Awake game. For that, highlight Sleep Awake on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Sleep Awake game again to check if the error is fixed or not. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if the issue still continues and nothing works for you, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. They will better suggest you the solutions and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.